Students, today I'm going to start a very good topic on the tenses. So students, it's a very good topic and very interesting, and it's full of information because if you take about speaking or if you talk about writing any portion, we need to keep under consideration the concept of tenses. Okay, and you know what type of tenses I'm talking about. I'm talking about present, past and future. Okay, now I would like to tell you something. Many English learners worry too much about tense. If you stopped 100 native English speakers in the street and asked them about tense, one of them might give you an intelligent answer if you were lucky. The other 99 would know little about terms like past perfect or present continuous, right? And they would know nothing about aspect, voice or mood. But they can all speak fluent English. Yeah, they can all speak fluent English and communicate effectively. Of course, for ESL, it helps to know about tenses, but don't become obsessed with them. Be like those native speakers that is speak very naturally. This is my urge also, and I request to all the students, please understand the concept of all the tenses, all the grammatical parts, and when you will learn all the concepts and all, you will automatically with with much of practice you will start speaking in English well. Okay, now let's start the topic tenses. Hello my dear students, a warm welcome to all of you. Students, this is Zia Classes here, and today I thought of teaching you a very important topic, and that topic name is all about tenses. Like many students, they were asking me to put up a video on this particular topic, the tenses. Tenses is of course very important, right? From you step into the English classes and you start learning English language, from that time tenses are very important, and we should know about the tenses, about the different types of tenses. Students, tenses play a crucial role in the English language. It denotes a time an action takes place sometime in the past, in the present, or will take some time in the future. So I'm talking about the past tense, present tense and the future tense. And verb tenses tells us how an action relates to the flow of time. There are three main verb tenses in English, and they are present tense, past tense and future tense. The present, past and future tenses are divided into four aspects. You can also say the four sub-degrees of the tenses, and they are the simple, the progressive, the perfect, perfect continuous, etc. So today I am here to deal about these types of tenses. Okay. So students, are we all ready? So let's start learning about different types of tenses. So there are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Also you can say present, past and future. You can scale it in your own ways. Okay. Now the first one is, now from a general word, as I'm telling you, giving my lecture, you will see the notes, and you can also pause my channel and copy down the notes which I made on, especially on the topic tenses. Students, from a general view of tenses, this module will go on to discuss each tense in detail with examples and exercises. So this module will discuss all about the different types of tenses. Just now you might be seeing on your screen, it may be flashing on your screen, the table below, a type of table. Now the table below gives a glimpse. Glimpse means an example. Glimpse means a short view, झलक जो हम लोग बोलते हैं इसको, of the way tenses are used using the verb play. I have used here one word which is play. P-L-A-Y, play. Play is of course a verb. And what is verb? Verb is an action word. Okay. Now, as I'm telling you, might be flashing on my screen also, students. So I have made three columns: past tense, present tense and future tense. Okay. Now again I've divided into, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 columns. Okay, 4 vertical columns, and I have given the heading as simple, perfect, continuous, perfect, continuous. I have scaled it like this. And on the first topic, I have written past tense, present tense, and future tense. Okay. Now, taking the word play or taking the verb play, simple mein we say past tense played. Okay. Shyam has played his game. Present, that means in past tense you can see verb plus ed. So whatever verb we are using is here. Now, by the way, what is a verb here? The verb here is play, khelna. Now this verb, I am going to use it as a simple past tense. Only I have to add prefix or suffix. We have to suffix. Prefix means something or some letters which we add before the word, and suffixes means these letters which we add after the word. Correct? Now here played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, P-L-A-Y-E-D. So what I have done here? I have suffixed with ed, okay, the two letters E and D. So verb plus ed. Okay, next come to present tense, same thing. Plays, simple past, simple present, simple future. Simple present, plays. Ram plays football. यानी ये हो सकता है कि Ram daily plays football. It may be a habit of playing football. Again, when I will show you this kind of the different parameters of the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, which I have made all the notes about, then you will understand more better along with definition and along with example I am going to teach you. Correct? Now present, simple present of play will be plays. That means verb plus s. Only we have suffixed with the letter s. Next comes future. Will, shall play. Ram will play or Shyam will play or XYZ will play. Future में वो खेलेगा या खेलेगी. Correct? So here what I have done, I have used one formula. In the future tense we can say both will and shall. Will and shall. So will / shall plus verb. Will, shall, will or shall plus verb. Will play, shall play, Ram shall play or Ram will play. Okay. Next one come to second one, that is perfect. When we use the perfect, forget about any category. Now I am speaking about perfect. It could be past perfect, present perfect or the future perfect. Clear? Now perfect, as you can see, had played. Past perfect, had played. And what formula I have used here? Had plus past participle. Okay, past participle of play will be played. Present, perfect present or present perfect. Has or have played. Always remember, has and have are present, whereas the past tense of has and have are had, H-A-D. Okay, so has or have / I have used your played. That is has or have plus past participle. Correct? Future perfect. Will or shall have played. Okay, Ram shall have played. Okay, or we can also say Ram would have played, or Ram, it is like that. That means will / shall plus past participle. Okay, this is for an understanding. I have made one, or you can say a blueprint, you can say a rough table of all the tenses. Okay, when I will explain you about different categories of all the three tenses, and there will be almost 12 types of tenses, 4 each, then you will understand in a bestest way. Correct? Next one come to continuous. It could be past continuous, it is past continuous, present continuous and future continuous. 3 types of continuous. Was, now look at this past one table. Was / were playing, or and what is the below which you are seeing here with plus, this is a formula which I have used, not a maths formula but a simple grammatical formula. Was / were plus verb plus ing, playing. Okay, now present I have used here is, am, are playing or plus verb ing. Correct? Future, will, shall, be plus verb plus ing. We can say perfect continuous come to this. Now had been playing, had been plus verb plus ing, and has, have been playing. Okay, like that, and in the future it will come will, shall, have been playing. I have used a formula as will or shall have been plus verb plus ing. Okay, now this is the thing which I have done. Understood, guys? So very beautifully we have used examples. Again I am explaining you with the help of only example. Simple past, played. Simple present, plays. Only look at the example. Simple future, shall play, will play or shall play. We can use both, either ways. Past perfect, had played. Present perfect, have played. Look only at the example of whatever I am telling you. Future perfect, shall have played. All the examples I have written. Now, past continuous, play koi leke. Past continuous of play would be were playing. Past, it could be was or it could be were. तो was भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं और were WERE भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इज प्लेइंग, am playing, they are playing, like that. Are playing, they are still playing. Continuous. Future continuous will be playing or shall be playing. Clear? Your concepts should be clear, guys. That is why I have used here only one verb. Okay, I don't want to make you confused. I have used only one verb, that is play, and based on this one particular verb play, I have categorized my different types of tenses. Okay, for your understanding, in your rough, for practice, you can also use 2 or more different verbs and you can create a table here and you can write. When you will start doing this, you will understand in a more better manner, in a more practical manner. Tenses are important for writing as well as for speaking. It is important in both the ways. Clear? Next comes, students, past perfect continuous. Last table, past perfect continuous. Just look at the example. Had been playing. Okay, Ram had been playing. वो अभी खेल रहा था. Present perfect continuous, इसको लगा दो ऊपर. Present perfect continuous example, has been playing. Please don't say has, have been playing. Has been playing or have been playing. It is present. We have to keep under consideration that whatever we are using here and what kind of tenses we are using here. Okay. Next one comes here, future perfect continuous. Future perfect, it should be perfect plus it should be continuous. It shall be. Now this will be, see here also I am using future only, will be, will have been playing or shall have been playing. Okay, so I have used one particular verb here, play, and with this play I have used different types of, I have categorized into different types of tenses: past, present, future, simple, perfect, continuous and perfect continuous. Clear, guys? Next one, look on to these types of tenses. Now I will be telling you the types of tenses. Okay, now the types of tenses are, I am going to tell you 12 types of tenses, and don't be nervous or don't be super into this anxiety, because I will be explaining you in a very free manner, in a very relaxed manner, in a very simple tone. Okay, next one, types of tenses. This is our heading, and under subheading, as you can see, first of all I am going to tell about present tense. What is this? Present tense. Today I am going to start with present tense. Okay, now present tense is again divided into same stuff. Tell me what? Yes, simple present tense. इसी को उठा के same thing I have picked up and I have written here. Simple present tense. What is the definition of this? It indicates an action that is generally true or habitual. Which is habitual, जो हम लोग रोज करते हैं. This tense is used to denote a habitual action. For instance, what is the example here? He walks to school. He walks to school. And second example, the match starts at 9 o'clock. The first one, he walks to school, and the second one is the match starts at 9 o'clock. That means he rose daily match starts at 9 o'clock. Correct? Second one, yes, very good. Present perfect tense. Look at my table, and from this only I am picking up. Nothing I have done more. Few minutes back I told you about the table, and from that table only I'm just picking it up and I'm telling you. Present perfect tense indicates an action that has been completed sometime before the present moment with the result that affects the present situation. Present perfect, it indicates an action that has been completed sometime, मतलब वो complete हो चुका है पहले, with a result that affects the present situation. How? Example, he has finished the work. Already he has finished the work. ये perfect. Whenever we speak about perfect, remember that particular work has been accomplished. वो काम पूरा हो गया है, वो हो नहीं रहा है बल्कि पूरा हो गया है. Okay. Second example, he has slept. He has slept. At that part, the sentence got over. He has slept. Next come what? Yes, present continuous tense, right? It indicates an action that started in the past and is continuing at the present time. जो पहले शुरू हुआ था और अभी तक वो continue. Continuous tense means वो अभी तक continue हो रहा है. Example would be I am studying, she is walking. I am, example number 1, I am studying. And what is she doing? She is walking. मतलब still she is walking and still I am studying. ये action I am continuing it. I haven't studied yet, I am studying. She hasn't completed her walk yet, but she is still walking. Correct? Next one, come to fourth category. You only tell me, think and tell me what would be the category now. Yes, present perfect tense, right? Now present perfect CT, present perfect continuous tense, correct? It indicates an action that started in the past and is continuing at the present time. It started in the past and it is continuing at the present time. जो past में शुरू हुआ और अभी तक वो continue हो रहा है. Example, he has been sleeping for an hour. वो 1 घंटे से सो रहा है. He has been. Has is already a past tense. He has been sleeping. So whenever we speak about perfect, one trick I'm telling you, which I tell to all my students, whenever we use perfect, please use the word been, B-E-E-N. He has been sleeping for an hour. Next come to our second tense, which is the past tense. Now in past tense, let me tell you about this. What is the past tense? The tense or the timing or the action which took place, at the past event. It could be the past month, it could be the past. जो चीज action हो चुका है, which is already been done, accomplished, fully done. Again same thing, same repetition I'll be doing. Simple past tense. It indicates an action took place before the present moment and that has no real connection with the present time. जो कि पहले हो चुका और अभी उसका कोई कनेक्शन लेना देना नहीं है. Example, he danced in the function. He already danced in the function. Dance is over and the function is also over. Second example, he flew to London yesterday. Okay, कल वो London, he boarded a flight and he flew to London yesterday. Okay, that function is over. And what was the second example? He flew to London yesterday. Okay, next comes our past perfect tense. Are you understanding what I'm speaking, students? Past perfect tense. Nothing I'm doing. If you will watch my video and hear my audio carefully, I am picking all the definitions from the previous table only. Past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay, next one come to past perfect tense. It indicates an action in the past that had been completed before another time or event in the past. Okay, now example would be again I'm repeating my definition. It indicates an action in the past. एक action जो पहले हो चुका है that had been completed before another time or event in the past. This is called as past perfect tense, which is already been completed. He had example, he had exercised before it started to rain. Okay, तो जैसे बारिश शुरू होने से पहले उसने अपना काम कर लिया. So he has he has done his work of exercising or doing workout. Second example, he had slept before I came. He had slept before I came back from the market. Okay. Next one, come to past continuous tense. Students, one more thing, it is not necessary that you will understand everything in one day. It's not a magic, You have to watch the videos again and again. I have tried my best to make the videos so that education is a learning process and any student of any class can watch the videos, and I'm trying my best to. And you can also comment me if you want the video of any other topic. I'll try my best to make the particular video on the particular topic and help you all. Okay, students. Next one is past continuous tense. What is a third degree past continuous tense? It indicates an action going at some time in the past. एक action जो पहले होते आ रहा था और action in the past. Example, it was getting darker. वो अंधेरा होते जा रहा था. या हम क्या यूज करें था? It was getting darker. The light went out while they were reading. The light means the electricity went out while they were reading. जब वो लोग पढ़ ही रहे थे तभी लाइट चला गया. Next one, the fourth category is the past perfect continuous tense. PPCT. You can say you can have your own letters of you play the trick of your own. Past perfect continuous tense. Okay. It indicates an action in the past. The action which took place in the past, that took place before another time or event in the past and continued during the second event or time point in the past. Okay. Now again I am reading the definition. Past perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action in the past. एक action जो past में हो रहा था that took place before another time or event in the past and continued during the second event in the past. एक ऐसा चीज जो एक ऐसा action जो पहले से होता आ रहा था और present time जैसे आया तो भी वो continue होते आ रहा था. Okay, it was continuing. Example, at that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months. At that time he had been writing I told you, whenever you are using perfect you have to use the word been, B-E-E-N, been. Okay, उस टाइम में वो 2 महीने का नॉवल लिखता था उस टाइम में. कोई ऐसा बता रहा है वाक्य. Second example, he had been exercising when I called. He had been, वो वर्कआउट कर रहा था, एक्सरसाइज कर रहा था when I called. Okay. Next one, the third and the last category of our main tense is future tense. Yes. Now again, tell me, what would be my next heading? Yes, simple future tense. Simple future tense. It indicates an action that will take place after the present time and that has no real connection with the present time. It indicates an action that will take place, जो होगा, होने वाला, after the present time and that has no real connection with the present scenario or time. Example, she will visit her ailing means sick, ailing grandmother soon. वो जल्द से जल्द अपनी बीमार ग्रैंड मदर से मिलने जाएगी. करेक्ट. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, ही विल वॉक होम. ही विल वॉक होम, वो अपने घर की तरफ जाएगा. करेक्ट. सेकेंड वन, FPT, future perfect tense. What is that future perfect tense? Now in this I would like to use, it indicates an action in the future. It indicates an action in the future that will have been completed before another time or event in the future. It indicates an action in the future that will have been completed, जो कि perfect, क्योंकि हम यहाँ use कर रहे हैं the word perfect, means it should be completed before another time. इससे पहले कि कोई और कार्य शुरू हो, ये काम पूरा हो जाना चाहिए. Another time or event in the future. Example, by the time we arrive, comma, he will have studied. तो जब तक हम लोग जाएंगे वो पढ़ लिया होगा. So by the time we arrive, he will have studied. Okay. Subtopic C. Okay. Future continuous tense. FCT. Future continuous tense. Now under this, it indicates an action in the future that is longer in duration, जो कि बहुत लंबा जा रहा है, than another action in the future. So the action which took place in the future और जो लंबा तक चला, which is called as future continuous tense. Example, he will be walking when it starts to rain. He will be walking, वो जब वो तब चलेगा जब बारिश शुरू होने लगेगा. He will be walking when it starts to rain. Okay. Next one, the last one, future perfect continuous tense, FPCT. Future perfect continuous tense. Now under this I would like to say it indicates an action in the future. It indicates an action in the future that will have been continuing until another time or event in the future. Example, he will have been exercising an hour at 2. Okay, he will have been exercising an hour at 2. Okay, so this is our main thing which I told you about the future perfect continuous tense and about all the tenses. I hope all the tenses lecture are clear to you guys. Please go through my YouTube channel again and again and try to understand, and you can also frame your own table and you can also create your own tenses. Thank you, and thanks a lot for watching me. Thank you.